Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a magical moon garden princess using Pippit AI for free. Okay, first of all guys, you're going to visit Pippit AI website, then you're going to sign in to get free credits, and then you need to go to the home menu and add your prompt here. I'm going to use this prompt, and then I'm going to upload my photo. Hold on. I'm going to use I'm going to use this photo like this, and we're going to submit the photo and also the prompt to the AI. And hold on. Okay, and these are the results. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. And I'm going to choose one of them, guys. I'm going to choose this one. Actually, you can download all of them, but I'm just going to choose one, and we can click on download. And if we're not satisfied with the result, we can click on regenerate here, and the AI will regenerate the photo for us. Okay guys, and that's how we can create a magical moon garden princess using Pippit AI. I hope this video will be useful for you. If you want to try it yourself, you can click Pippit AI join link on my YouTube description, and you can try to make any photo or any video as creative as you can. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!